Hello, YouTube audience. All right, so I have a little something I want to show you today. It's some other ways that I use the Half Size Me forums and community for support and connection. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you again where I access the Half Size Me forums. It's the discourse hub. Once it comes up, one of the areas I spend a lot of time in, you see how we have everything broken up here into categories, is food and nutrition. Every single week, on usually Wednesday or Thursday, I upload my meal plan. And as you can see, I have uploaded a lot of meal plans. These are the things that my family and I are actually planning on eating. I give away a PDF to help you organize your own. I give away all of my ideas and foods, including my own recipes. And I typically, again, post this on Wednesday and Thursday, and I encourage other members to do the same. Put in exactly what you're planning on eating and making sure that you're sharing. Now, that takes me home, by the way, every time I click that icon. The other thing that I tend to do is I share a lot of my recipes in the food and nutrition. So if you go to Heather's Recipes, you have an access here to all of my recipes that I've been uploading for quite a while. And this is a pretty huge archive library. So I just wanted to show you those two ways that I use the community for additional support each and every week. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you want to join in on the Half Size Me community, all you have to do is go to halfsizeme.com/join. And please like, subscribe, and comment here and let me know what other ideas you would like for some videos. And if you need more ideas on how to use an online support community for help in your journey, let me know and I can record some videos about that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.